This is the propane torch weed burner. It arrives safe and it comes in 2 pieces and it's super easy to assemble. This piece is 15 inches long. This piece is 15 inches long. It just threads together, and when you get it fully assembled, it weighs in at about 1 pound, 3 ounces. Now, I have a full 16-ounce propane tank here. This weighs in at 1 pound, 13 ounces. You have an on-off valve right here, so we're gonna make sure that's closed before we put the tank on. You just screw the tank on. If you want to make sure that your joints here and here are sealed and not leaking, you would turn the fuel on and maybe spray some soapy water here and here and see if you get any bubbles coming out. Once you get that done, you just turn the thing on and you can hear the propane coming out. There's a little click starter right here. Just like that. You can see it firing up. Then you can adjust your flame. You can see it really kicks out. So it's kind of hard to see, but this cup's about 3 3/4 inches long. There's a connection here, and this igniter runs inside of here, and there's actually a little igniter tip and a bar through here. Cold in this part of the country for a few months now. The ground is completely soaked. I don't know how this thing's gonna work to demonstrate it properly. I really feel like it's gonna work good in the summer, but let's burn some stuff. Let's try some wet moss. Not too bad. When I first got this, I had an old propane tank and I don't know how much I had in it. I spent a lot of time trying to melt some ice in the backyard. I don't know how long a full propane tank lasts, but the whatever I had left in the tank that I had sitting around here for a few years lasted quite a while. I was impressed. When I'm done with this, I'm gonna remove the tank and put the cap back on here that came with it and store this in a proper place. When this thing's fully assembled, if you go to set it down, the weight is gonna pull it forward just because it's heavier on the end right here. It's not balanced. Just so you know, no big deal. Just so you know too, it will sit on a flat level surface just like that. Works good. It's gonna work for getting grass out of the cracks of my blocks by my shed and over here, and I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this summer.